my channel. Today's video is going to be another what I eat in a day. I actually did one of these like a month ago, but you guys really liked it, and these are some of my favorite videos to watch. So we're back with part 2. This is what I eat in a day, vegan version. Like I said in my last one, I'm not actually vegan. I just like to eat vegan food. It's also mom and baby edition because I'm gonna show you guys what I also feed my 9-month-old little baby. She's sitting in her high chair, smacking it, wanting some food. So I'm gonna start by giving her a banana really quick. These bananas are like kind of small, so I'm gonna give her a whole one, but normally I give her like half of a banana in the morning. We're gonna open this banana up. I'm gonna break it in half. I'm gonna go give it to my baby so I can keep filming. Before we get into the video, I do want to tell you guys that Thrive Market is our sponsor for today. I've worked with them multiple times and they're one of my favorite companies to work with. If you guys haven't ever heard of Thrive Market or seen any of my other videos with them, they're an online membership-based market. You can also get 25 to 50% off of traditional retail pricing, and they have really high quality, healthy, and sustainable products. They actually have more than just food. I got some soaps this time, which with everything going on, I'm very excited. This is foaming hand wash. It is coconut vanilla. They have a lot of different stuff. They have home stuff, beauty stuff. It's also super easy to shop by different categories on their website. Vegan, gluten-free, paleo, or anything like that. I usually just go on and like click the vegan tab. They also ship orders over at $49 for free, and then they have their Thrive Gives program. So for every paid membership that they have, that goes to sponsoring a membership for a low-income family. They have 2 different membership options, so you can pick whichever one is best for you, and if you guys click the link, then you can get a $20 credit. So definitely check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with breakfast. Okay, so for breakfast today, we are doing avocado bagels. I mentioned in my last what I eat in a day that most of the time we have oatmeal, but if we don't have that, our go-to is avocado bagels. Parker makes them much better than me, so I called him in here to do the official avocado bagel making, but usually for Cove, I will do toast just because that's like a little bit easier for her to eat than a bagel. So I'm going to get out the bread for her, bagels for us. We'll show you guys Parker's secret recipe. I don't really like avocado that much. I just started liking it, so this is very exciting for me now that I'm an avocado toast eater, but I do like having it on a bagel because it's like a little bit thicker and I feel like you can't taste the avocado as much. But Parker has perfected his secret recipe, so you gotta give him a tutorial.
All right, guys, so here's what you do. Take the avocado, cut it in half, and then you just take a spoon, and you go around the whole inside of the skin, and you just drop them into a bowl like this. I take a spoon. I prefer a spoon over a knife.
A knife? I think most people would use a fork.
Or a fork. Yeah, that would work too. Say that I'm mashing it?
Yeah.
I'm mashing it now.
Putting out the toaster. So these are the bagels that we like to have. Every time I post about avocado toast, everyone's like, oh, you should put everything but the bagel seasoning on it. But we actually just use everything bagels. And then for Cove, like I said, I usually do toast. So this is the same brand, but bread. So we're gonna make hers first. Put it in there. This bread is actually too tall for our toaster. What are you doing? Did you eat your whole banana? Where did you get that binky, girl? Are you waiting for your toast? It's cooking, Kay.
So now that we got the bagel toasted, what you gotta do is you gotta butter the bagel. This is a really important step because it adds a lot of extra flavor. You go ahead and you put the avocado on it. Spread it around. Aspen likes it pretty thin.
Not that much.
Yeah, I don't love a ton either. We want to use seasoning salt. This
is the secret ingredient that makes
this
it
is
so
what Aspen
good.
loves. So we add the seasoning salt, not a ton, just sprinkle it on over. Then, on top of that, you squeeze some lemon. Aspen likes a lot of lemon. I don't love a lot, but I like.
That's the other secret ingredient.
It's done. It's ready to eat. Take a bite. Tell me how it is. Try this at home, guys. Tell me if you like it.
Delicious. This is our favorite for if we're in like a little bit of a hurry and we don't want to actually cook something on the stove. We have these probably a couple times a week. Kobe's over here enjoying her toast. You are such a good eater. it's now 3 p.m. That guy didn't leave until like way after we were done doing lunch. Yeah, the sun sets way too bright over there, so we needed to get some window tint. Anyways, yeah, I didn't want to film a clip when he was here. Cove is down for a nap. Like I said in my last video, usually the afternoons are like super busy. This is when Cove takes her 2-hour nap. I just like go, try to get a bunch of stuff done. Usually I just like don't snack that much because I don't have time to eat. Mom life. I actually got done with my stuff a little bit early today. I just shot some Instagram stories for Thrive Market, so I have a few other things out that I wanted to show you guys. This pasta we ate for lunch. Got the box out of the trash to show my Instagram. But a couple other things that I actually got this time to try is this powdered acai. And then I actually got 2 bags of this granola, so I haven't opened this one yet because I'm still eating the first one, but it's cinnamon peanut butter and it's really good. And then what I'm gonna eat right now for my snack is Smart Sweets gummy bears. You guys, these are my favorite. I ordered I think like 7 or 8 bags of these when I placed my order, which I got it like a week ago. This is the only one I have left. I've been like hiding this so that I wouldn't be tempted to eat it before I was filming this video because these are my favorite. I have a lot of different kinds, so these are the gummy bears. I actually really like the sour gummy bears, and then the peach rings are my other favorite. Both my bags of the peach rings were gone like the first day. If you guys are ordering from Thrive Market, I get these every single time. That's what I'm having for my snack today. I'm also very excited to show you guys the dinner recipe we're gonna make. It's something I found on Pinterest. It is like my new favorite thing that I'm obsessed with. It's vegan tacos that are like 20-minute vegan tacos, so they're really quick, really easy. For now, I have a couple like small little things to do. We usually start making dinner at like 5 or 5:30. I'm gonna get that stuff done and then I will be back. Okay guys, so it is now 6 o'clock and time for dinner. We're starting dinner a little bit late. It's actually really overcast today, and then plus the window tint. It is very dark right now. Not the best lighting ever, but these tacos are so good. While I'm cooking them, having a little snack, I have these black bean chips that I got from Thrive Market, some salsa. I'm trying to film and Cove won't stop yelling. Can you be quiet? So I got out all my stuff. I put Parker in charge of the sauce. So I'm gonna have this actual like recipe linked down below. This isn't gonna be an official step-by-step tutorial just because it's easier for you guys to like follow along on the website. First, I got my pinto beans. We usually are a black bean family. Do you like these with pinto beans?
Yeah, I actually thought it was better with pinto beans, to be honest.
Me too. We've made it with pinto beans and we made it with black beans, and I like it better with the pinto beans. So basically what you do for this recipe is you make the filling, you make the sauce. That's like pretty much it. So it's super easy. It's like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put the beans in here. Okay. Then you're supposed to put in just like half a cup of rice. And so usually I'll make this recipe when we have like leftover rice. So that I don't have to like cook rice like just for this recipe. I'm not even gonna measure this because it doesn't really matter, but it's like about half a cup. So I got my beans, I got my rice, I need my veggie broth. I'm not even gonna measure these spices, honestly. I'm gonna just like dump them in because last time when I did measure them, there was just like not enough. So I just put in paprika, chili powder. I'm putting in onion powder. It says 2 teaspoons, but I'm doing a lot more because you want it to have a lot of flavor. It says a teaspoon of cumin, but again, putting a lot more than it says. Putting in about a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. We're gonna mix it up, and then you basically just cook this for like 10 minutes. And it also says to kind of like mash a few of them to, I don't know why, but it tastes good. We're gonna stick this on the stove, moving it over. Also getting out the pan for the tortillas. So these aren't really tacos. You can make it tacos or you can make it a burrito. We actually usually use like the normal size taco shells or like tortilla shells, but this is all that the store had. They're like mini. These are the uncooked ones. So if you just stick them on the stove for like 60 seconds, then they cook. I'm gonna cook it and then put a little bit of the filling on it and then fold it in half. So it's kind of like a taco. Parker's gonna give a tutorial on the sauce.
Okay, you ready? Mm-hmm. It calls for soaked cashews, but we just boil them for like 8 to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Half a cup of cilantro, got right here. 1/4 a cup of freshly squeezed lemons. Limes, sorry. And then milk, maple syrup. I'm gonna do a tiny bit of this, I won't measure it. And then you just blend it all together and it makes a tasty sauce.
Yeah, it's like a
but you want to wait to put this
dressing.
so that it's not completely shredded. You know, you want a little bit of leaves in this. Yeah.
Oh.
It says to wait.
Life hack. All right, so Parker's making the sauce. We got the beans going. Cove's still yelling. Cooking the tortillas. Super easy. And this also makes a lot of leftovers. We can definitely have this for lunch the next day, which I really like. Hopefully you guys could even hear me because Cove was yelling the whole time. But again, the recipe is linked down below. So we're gonna finish this up and eat some tacos. beans. I'm cooking my tortillas. I burned mine already, but I just put beans on half of it and then folded it. Coves is right here. She has beans, rice, and sauce, and then I also cut up some mango for her. So I'm gonna give this to my baby. Did you already eat all your mango? She was hungry, so I gave her some before. Should we give you a spoon? You love beans and rice, huh? Let's get you a spoon. Guys, why do I literally burn everything? I was gonna make a third one, and then I just was over it because I kept burning them. But I have my sauce. Parker also put salsa on his, so you can put whatever. You can put like tomatoes, lettuce, salsa, sour cream. Let's see, do they have more flavor than last time? I didn't do enough spices last time.
I didn't have salsa, so yeah.
2 thumbs up. Okay, so I have my oranges. I usually have these for my snack before bed. It's like 9 o'clock. Parker's downstairs playing video games. I'm gonna go start Dance Moms because my friend JC talked about how she started it and it's so good. That is what I'm doing for the night. Here's my last little snack. That is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching what I eat in a day. Let me know if you guys want to see another one of these. Also, don't forget to check out Thrive Market, linked down below. And that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.